Yeah, 1414. Yeah, so this is how it looks, Xperia. Sony 1.4.
There's no charger.
No charger.
No, there's no charger
I used it. There's, so you know, there's no charger
included.
this included. So these are the instructions.
English.
And here are the instructions. And this is the SIM card.
This is such a good pillow. It actually is a really good pillow now.
So this is the camera. It has, it have 3 camera and 1. What is that? 2 flash.
3 cameras.
It's amazing. It's like
So
the
I
best
think
pillow.
this is where you put your. And I think you have to put it on here. Oh, there's no. No. So I turned it on. I turned it on here. I think this is the speaker. It's loading.
Gosh.
You have to accept, connect to mobile network. So it needs, you have to download your SIM card. So you download yung saan pagkuan. I think you have to, yan lang, di ba no?
Yeah, no.
And it's open now.
No. Oh, that was so cute.
So this
I can't deny it.
so the SIM card, you have to put your SIM card here. So this is how first. So in the SIM card, you put it in here. There. So you take out here. Don't you? Ano yung SIM card? Duha sa imong phone. Anak ka naman sa tunga.
Gubaon pa rin ito na.
To go on begin. So you have to No, you have to kuan.
Insert. No.
Wait.
Micro.
So we have this, and it says it's same card, same micro. Nay, it's not micro SD. Yung gitang tang?
Oh.
Di uy. Normal ra uy.
Micro, ah.
Aha. Enta. Not really. So this now it's here, and you have to, and you put it in.
So. You will connect the.
Internet ko na. So we have Comhem that one. Password.
Started.
We went back.
Accept. Connect Wi-Fi first. Elba B83. Where?
It's the same size.
Copy and sync. Yes. Use your old device. You need to hold on to the device turn on and keep it unlocked.
So this is okay. So that's it for guys. This is our so thank you for watching for our